Hey, I'm going to show you how you can customize your notifications from the Threads app. They actually give you a lot of control here, so let me show you how. This is on the home page of the Threads app. What we want to do is select the bottom right hand corner to get to our profile. And then from here, we want to select the little two lines in the upper right hand corner. And now we can access our notifications. So if we go into our notifications here, we can see that if we want to, we can just pause all of them, right? And we can select the amount of time that we want to pause it for. But we can also just customize what type of notifications that we get. So they have different categories here like likes, replies, mentions, reposts, all of these things here, right? And within each one of these, you have these different categories. So where do you want to receive likes from everyone, from only the people that you follow, or do you want to just never receive any notifications for likes? So this is a pretty nice feature here that they let you go through and customize pretty much every single thing that you do or do not want to get a notification for. You could also have this major category here, the following and followers. If you want to receive notifications for follow requests, accepted follow requests, account suggestions, and the pre-followed user join threads. Again, all of these ones here, you can just pick and choose on or off. Another nice feature here is it kind of shows you like a little example of what that notification would look like. For example, it says John Appleseed accepted your follow request. So yeah, this is how you customize your notifications. I like that they give you so much control over this. You don't see a lot of apps these days giving you this much control over notifications. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, hopefully this helped you out, and I'll see you on the next one.